eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Everybody coupe, take a coupe, eh. Everybody coupe, take a coupe, eh. Viens on play, viens on play, new friends, oh. Fiofigam, mama, eh. Papa, take a mama, eh. Papa, take a semi to fiofigam, mama, eh. Semi to fiofigam, papa, eh. Semi to fiofigam, eh. Viens on play, new friends, oh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, papa, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh.
The Voice of the Voiceless, a non-for-profit organization that stands to offer skills to young people. These skills can be taken to their homes, future, and even in their schools. The skills are tie and dye, Clorox making, soap making, makeup, interior decoration, catering, computer, tailoring, public speaking, creative writing, such as poetry, drama, and prose, hair braiding, crocheting, cultural dance, and agriculture. All these just for our generation, because the future of our nation depends on the present progress of its youth. The voice of the voiceless.
Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, papa, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Fiofigam is for the children, mama, eh. Everybody coupe, take a coupe, eh. Everybody coupe, take a coupe, eh.